Hi, I'm Helen and this is Janne. Yes, this is Janne, my living puppet's human puppet, and she needs some refreshment, so I'm gonna wash her today. And one of the big advantages of the Living Puppets brand is that you can wash them in the machine. Yeah, so that's quite handy. And how you do that, that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. The first step is to undress the puppets. Clothes and puppets are washed separately. The next thing I do is put my puppet into a pillowcase. I want to protect the eyes in the machine. Max. A bit of soap, a bit of fabric softener for the hair. Let's do it. Well, my puppet is clean but still quite wet, so now she has to air dry. Never put a puppet in a dryer because it will irreparably damage the puppet. So air dry, that's the secret. First we're gonna dry her and that will take a few days. Count on 3. When the inside of the head is dry, then you can use your puppet again. Well, she's dry, but as you can see, she's quite pale. This is the last step. We're gonna bring back the blush on her cheeks, and for that we use a powder blush and a brush. This is a non-fat powder brush. That's important to remember. All fresh.